Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Blue Yeti mic to your PC with USB and drivers. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Blue Yeti microphone. Remove all protective packaging carefully. Locate the USB cable included with your microphone. Connect one end of the USB cable to the Blue Yeti's USB port. Plug the other end of the USB cable into an available USB port on your PC. Ensure your PC is powered on and fully booted up. Wait for your operating system to recognize the Blue Yeti. Once recognized, it should automatically install the necessary drivers. If the drivers do not install automatically, visit the Blue Yeti support website. Download the latest drivers compatible with your operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the drivers. Restart your PC if prompted to do so after the installation. Open your sound settings on your PC. Navigate to the Input Devices section. Select the Blue Yeti microphone as your default input device. Adjust the input volume if necessary to match your recording needs. Test the microphone by speaking into it or using a sound recording application. Check for any audio input signals to confirm it's working. You are now ready to use your Blue Yeti microphone for recording or streaming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.